I'm Charlie Turner in New York. Those of us who watch the markets and the economy have been counting on improved corporate earnings to help lift economic performance. There's a problem with this, however. The U.S. dollar has been on a roll, and that's not good news for U.S. companies that sell a lot of goods overseas. And this comes amid the prospect of a rate hike by the Fed at its meeting next week, and possibly more rate hikes next year. Let's talk about the impact of a stronger dollar with Wall Street Journal reporter Theo Francis. First, Theo, how is the dollar doing right now against the euro and the pound, whatever information you have?
Sure. What you've seen is a pretty sharp strengthening of the dollar since the election. The dollar right now is at about $1.07, $1.08 to the euro. That's strengthened from about $1.10 to the euro on election day, and even a little bit higher than that beforehand. The pound, it's about $1.26 to the pound right now, compared to as recently as June about $1.47. So you've seen some pretty sharp strengthening to the dollar just since the election, and then against the pound, of course, since the Brexit vote.
So I guess that would be approximately a 4% rise since the election, according to what I've read. Why? Is it due to the prospect of higher interest rates, especially under a Trump administration?
There are a lot of factors. Of course, there's been a widespread expectation that the Federal Reserve would raise interest rates perhaps as early as mid-December. So that's not new since the election, but there is also some real expectation that Trump administration policies and policies enacted with Republican Congress would be likely to push the dollar higher as well. In other words, there's a number of factors that are really leading businesses and obviously currency traders to expect that the dollar's strength is not likely to go away anytime soon.
Theo, don't higher interest rates tend to boost a currency?
They do, and that's one of the big factors that you're likely to see in coming weeks.
Well, describe how so. I mean, don't dollar-denominated products tend to go up in value?